Volunteer. He was a doctor, retired doctor, but he's not retired to be a nanny. She's a volunteer of the carrying baby. Doctor was one of the grandpa of the children here. And he was fresh from, saan yung ano nyo, Doc? From New Jersey?
Rin, nasa San Diego.
San Diego, oh yeah. So, it's your first time, Doc, to witness the BBS in CCEC? Binibidyo ko to, Doc, nag-document ako ng ano. So, what you can see, Doc, for our BBS?
Very good.
What did you see for the reaction of the children? There's crying?
They're happy. They're enjoying. They're enjoying. Even the baby is enjoying.
Enjoying in your arms?
Even the baby is enjoying.
What you can see our see some words for the volunteers. You see the young generation, they are the volunteers of teachers. So any words you can see to the kids ministry of Christ Care?
Oh yeah, they are being used by the Lord so that the mothers and all the visitors here will appreciate the work of all members of the church, especially the pastor.
You're currently a retired doctor, Doc, right? And you're also a missionary before, or until now, just focus on family, and grandkids. So thank you for your words that you encourage us to keep going for the new generation, mostly Filipino, and it's already a mix. So that was John. He was a volunteer for being a nanny. Thank you, Doc. Bye.